Morning, dude.
Hey.
Well, this sucks. This is not what you want to see when you wake up on Dyno, Dave. Somebody sent me a message. Hey man, just wanted to confirm. Oh, the Dyno guy. Hey man, just wanted to confirm your appointment 10 a.m. this morning. Yes, I would like to confirm that appointment. Oh, now somebody else's. Jeez, I can't film a video. Anyway, let's get ready and get going. You know, I was gonna wash the truck today, but I guess that's out of the question, so we're just gonna have to probably wipe it down when we get there. And it's raining. Whoop! What's up, man? What's going on, guys? All right, we got Austin here. He's the owner of
Calibrated Speed and Performance.
I'll let you say it, yeah. Calibrated Speed and Performance. We're right here in Moody, Alabama, just outside of Birmingham.
Yeah.
He's been doing this stuff for a long time, right?
About 7-8 years now.
7-8 years. LS, LT specializing. You can see around the shop here, we got plenty of space, plenty of insane cars like this ZR1 here. This is your car, right?
Yes, personal car.
C6 ZR1. I mean, come on. You can't get any better than that. And these guys do all kinds of work from what? Exhaust, intakes, tuning.
Engine builds, cam swaps, dyno tuning, bed swaps,
Like,
anything
did
LS.
you hear what he said there? Dyno tuning.
Anything LS 2.5 LT.
Okay, there you go. All right, so this is his dyno. And this is a, what kind of dyno is this?
It's a Dynacom 5000.
Dynacom 5000. So it's lift based, so you lift a vehicle up to the level and then back it onto the rollers. And the cool thing about the dyno is you're not limited to Gen 5 LS and LT, right?
No.
Any car. You guys can have a Dodge Ram and you can bring it on here and he will put it on the dyno and give you a horsepower reading for your vehicle, right? He can't tune it,
No,
but you can give him a horsepower reading.
Yes.
Right, if you've got a car and you've got a chip or a tuner or whatever already on it, you've got intake and exhaust, you kind of want to see what your car's doing, come here and get a number. Exactly. You can see what the difference in octane, if your 87 versus 93 is working, right?
Correct.
So tuning and performance wise, they're based on LS and LT platform.
Yes.
The newer LT, not the old school
Gen
like
5,
F-body
Gen
LT.
5 LT.
Okay, the kind that people want, right?
14 and newer.
Yeah, I mean, nobody wants the old LTs. I'm going to put a link below to their social media and their website and their contact phone number, and you can call Austin directly and he'll get you guys taken care of. Now, we're going to put the truck on the dyno and see what we do. All right, let's see what she puts down stock. All right, so what kind of numbers did we pull?
Got 277 horsepower and 282 torque.
277 horse, 282 torque, and this truck puts out
355 stock at the engine.
Yep.
So with drivetrain loss, the wheel size.
Yeah, the big wheels.
We're dead on.
So 20%, 25%?
20%.
Okay, 20% drivetrain loss. That's not bad really for a truck.
Not at all.
So 277, 277 horse at the wheels, 282 torque, base stock. Well, it's got a muffler delete, but I mean that doesn't do anything for us. It's just a little bit of noise. So now we're going to put the intake on it and see what we can get out of it. All right, so we picked up 5 horsepower and 5 foot-pounds of torque with the cold air intake, and that was stock versus cold air. No other changes, no anything else done to the car. Not as good as what they claim, but they may have seen that horsepower gain in a different scenario. But where we're at, the altitude we're at, the octane gas we're running, I think 5 horsepower and 5 foot-pounds of torque at the wheels is a pretty good gain for nothing but a cold air intake using the factory lower box. So, yeah. Calibrated Speed and Performance, Austin over here hooked it up for us. If you want to come see this car in person, you better hurry quick because I'm going to buy it. No, I'm not. I'm not going to buy it. I want to, though. Get my mirrors set back. I guess he had my mirrors low where he was backing onto the dyno. So there you have it, guys. 5 horsepower, 5 foot-pounds of torque with the coldairinductions.com intake system. Factory lower air box, 87 octane. We weren't able to do 93. I wanted to, but we kind of ran out of time, and with it pouring down rain, it was just going to be a nightmare to get the truck unstrapped and then go fill up and then strap it back on and wipe it down again so it was dry. So we just did a straight 87 octane to 87 octane comparison, and I mean, I'm happy with the results. It's not what we expected or what we were hoping for, up to 14 horsepower, but we're different elevation possibly than what they had. They could have ran 97 or 93 octane. So there's a few reasons that it could be less, but still it was a power gain. And the numbers are a little bit low for my truck, but I kind of expected that, being that I run 26-inch wheels. They're really heavy, so it adds a lot of rotating mass to the truck needs to try to spin up. So yeah, pretty happy with it. If you guys want one of these systems, go to coldairinductions.com, check out their website. Really fast shipping. They gave me a tracking number right away, and a good quality product. And as you can see, picks up some power without a tune. So check them out. And also, really big thanks to Austin Thornburg over at Calibrated Speed and Performance right here in Moody, Alabama, letting us use his shop and put the truck on the dyno and really being a good sport about it. And if you guys ever need any LS or LT tuning, as soon as these trucks become tunable, you can take it there and put it on his dyno and get some tuning done. He thinks we can pick up, what do you say, 15 more horse potentially at the wheels with a tune. So as soon as it's unlocked, I'm headed there and we're going to get this truck tuned. But y'all check them out. I'm going to link their social media below and their websites. And I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't subscribed already, you got to hit the subscribe button so that you keep up with all my new videos. And also, right beside the subscribe button, there's a little bell. Hit that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I put up new videos. And we will see you guys in the next one.